So the customer brought this back. They have some damage on the broken track adjuster, so Dad's got to fix that. And so it was unexpected when he was loading up, and Dad's got to put in a new distributor here. He's already taken off the back, and he's going to drop the new one in. This is Dad's drop-in distributor.
But guys don't want to spend any money. They'd rather overhaul a piece of junk 10 times. It's all wore out.
We just dropped the...
That's the way to go. Yeah, the little Allen wrench. Yeah,
so look here on the other side. No light here, but we can get in underneath. Again, there's the distributor. Dad's already taken off the back panel. So in order to get at the distributor here, Dad's taken off the back panel, lifted it up. There should be an easy fix for him. And that's what Dad's doing on this Bombardier. And one of our viewers asked about what year this is, and I think it says AA71, so I don't think it's a 56 that I originally said. But the stuff is out of the back, and hopefully this is a quick couple-day turnaround for Dad. Beautiful machine. Got a little bit of cleaning up to do. Will Flamentang, holy shit!
How are you doing?
Good, buddy.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, same to you.
You on a diet or something?
No.
You look thinner.
Yeah,
We got less clothes on.
less clothes out there. It's warmer out there.
Do you know Ray?
I think I met you one time.
Yeah, I've seen him before.
This is Mr. Lamontagne.
Okay.
Our former counselor for the RM.
He worked for me for 10 years, 2 5-year stretches. And then he pulled the pin.
Okay.
When he couldn't get behind the steering wheel anymore, he said, "That's it. I got her."
Well, that was too good back then.
You were feeding them too much.
Yep.
That's the problem.